Hi there everyone, back with another video, and in this video we will be learning an important concept in JavaScript, that is function expressions. Before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I come up with a new video. So with that being said, let me begin with the function expressions. And guys, in the previous lecture or video, so in the previous video we have learned about function and function declaration and function call, right? So now with that uh, concept, the function concept, I will just explain you guys about the function expression. And again, I will just declare a function over here, and I will just call the name of the function as first, and in the body I'll just have some console over here, and in the console I will have hi, just like that. It is very simple. And now I will just, in order to execute this function, I need to call that function, right? So now guys, what will be the output? Of course it's hi. So we have declared a function and we have executed that function by a function call, right? So guys, before explaining you about function expressions, I want to show you some of the craziest thing that it's in JavaScript. So now instead of calling a function, I will do something like this. So in the console I will just say first. So now guys, what will be the output of this entire program? Am I running a program, or what else I'm doing here? So as you can notice here, the name of the thing here is in the console is the name of the function. So what will be the output now? It will remain high, or it will print something else. Let me check in the output, guys. As you can notice, it's printing the entire program itself, right? So we are not executing the program. I'm sorry, it's a function. Yeah, so we are not executing that function. We are printing the function as a value, right? So it is in a string format. So in the line number 6, we are printing the function itself, right? So now the bottom line here is the first is also a name of a function, and it is also a variable which has got a function in itself as a value, right? So first is also a variable which has got its value as a function, right? So this is the value in this variable, and it is also a function name, right? So this is the craziest thing that we have in JavaScript, and it is also a variable and it is also a function name. So with that being said, I will just console this and let me explain you guys about a function expression. So now what I'm gonna do here is I will have, in the next line I will have, in the next line I will declare a variable called as fun, so and initialize it to first. So now what will be the output of this? Of course I need to have some of the console over here, just like that. So now guys, what will be the output if I just do as this? So fun. So of course it remains the same thing, but it is in the line number 15. So in the line number 15 I have just copied the value which is in the first variable into the next variable called as fun, right? So it is just like a copying of variables, and the value is the function as a string. So now instead of doing this, I will do something called as this. So guys, again, what will be the thing here now? So as you can notice here, the fun is not a function name, as we have declared the function name as first, but we have got this brackets and the semicolon, and it is just like a normal function call, right? So if I just save this and see the output, and guys, as you can notice, it's printing what? It's printing hi as an output, right? So now I have copied the value of the first into fun, and we can execute the function itself by just like this, right? So with the help of an alternative name of this function is fun, and we have called that function with this, right? So this can be done in JavaScript, right? So it is just the first part of the function expression, and the whole concept of function expression is just like this. I'll just say instead of that I'll just say fun. So instead of having the name of the function in this function, I'll do something called as this. So now guys, what do you mean by this? it is a function expression, right? As you can notice here, we have a function stored in this fun variable, right? So fun variable contains what? The value of the function itself. It will not execute the function, but the function will be the value to this variable called as fun. And at the last we need to end that with a semicolon, so that it is just a normal declaration of a variable. It is just like, guys, again, this is just like doing this. So I'll just say fun1 is equal to 1. That's it. It is something like this. So this is one and the same. I'm just declaring a variable and initializing a value to this variable, right? So it is just like that. So I have declared a variable and I'm initializing a function as a value to this variable. So now with the help of this variable, I can execute this function by doing the same thing just like that in the line number 13. So if I just save this and refresh the browser, and boom, guys, we have got hi printed in the screen, right? So now with the help of the function, with the help of this variable, I can call that function, or else I can do also something called as this. So in the next line, I'll just do something called as this. So fun. So now what will be the output here? So first it will execute the function, and next in the console it will print the value of the variable. So value of the variable is the function itself, right? So yes, guys, this is all about the function expression. So this is a function expression what we have in JavaScript. That's it, guys. It is so simple, and it kind of make you confusing because we have a variable here and it is something called as a function call here, and guys, again, we are printing the value which is the value of a function here over here. And guys, it seemed to be confusing, so I just suggest you to practice it and make sure that you are well versed with this function expression. So this is a function expression. I'll just have a comment over here. So this is function expression. So this is a function expressions. Yeah, it's not the expression. So we have got one function expression. So it's a function expression, right? So yes, guys, this is all about the function expression. So function is a value for this variable and we can execute. So this is, I'll just say execute. So we are executing the value. Yeah, executing the function, not the value. So this is value of a variable. So this is a value of a variable, right? So this is how we can make use of double use. Yeah, we can make use of the function expression as a to execute the function and also get the value of a variable which is the function itself. So we got that, right? So yes, guys, this is all about it, and see you in the next video.